Here I have OPPO Reno 4Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device or from this device from any other device, like from the iPhone to Android, from the Android to iPhone, as you please. All you need to do is to just download the app Send Anywhere from the Play Store in case of the Android device, from the App Store in case of the iPhone device. So when you open it for the first time, you have to accept terms of privacy policy and whatever, tap confirm. Then you have to grant access to the camera, grant access to the storage, I mean. So here, when you're in the app, if you want to receive file, just go to the receive section. If you want to send file, just go to the send. You can send photos, videos, contacts, and all the other files here. So if you want to send photo, just pick it, tap send. You can send any other file, of course. So to receive this photo, you can just enter this 6-digit code. You can share link, open link, and get this photo like this. Or the easiest method, you can just grant access to the camera, go to this QR code, and get image like this. And as you can see, image sent. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.